This is Xiaomi's 11T Pro. It's quite similar to the 11i, but let's see what's different. Let's quickly unbox it. So this is what the box looks like. You have a lot of black accents and some gold accents on the box. The price is supposed to be here, but it's obviously cut out. So we'll leave the final price in the description. Go check it out. Also, if you haven't checked out the video for the Mi 11i, go click on the top right banner. We're also doing a bunch of giveaways, the OnePlus giveaway and the earphones giveaway that ends today. So if you haven't taken part, today is the last chance to take part in that. And the OnePlus giveaway is ending on the weekend. And if you guys want me to do a giveaway of this phone or multiples of this phone, go to my Instagram and tell me that you want a giveaway of this. Let's quickly unbox and see what's inside. Very interesting packaging. It says designed by Xiaomi. We get a SIM ejector tool. We've got a basic quick start guide with some warranty information. And we also get a clear case for the back of the phone. And then you also have an adapter because there is no headphone jack on this phone. So you get a standard USB-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. So this is the phone itself. We've got it in this color. I don't know what this color is called actually. This is called the Celestial Magic. I believe it's also available in a black. So I'll have the links to the phone in the description below so you can go check out all the colors. This is also the higher variant. So this is the 12GB plus 256GB variant. But the phone is also available with 8GB of RAM and 128 as well as 256 with 8GB. So all the variants that are available in India will also be on the link in the description below. Go check it out. So I'll keep the phone here for a second. This phone also has the 120 watt wired charging, which is also the same as the first phone, which was the Mi 11i. It also has the same USB-A to USB-C cable. So the problem with this charger is that most USB-C devices that are a high wattage usually have USB-C to USB-C cable. So you also have to use their cable because this is a USB-A to USB-C cable. You can see this is the 120 watt charger. The same charger that we checked out for the Xiaomi Mi 11i is also available for this. There are a few differences in the phones. We'll go through them really quickly. Let's remove the packaging here. So it does say made in India on the sticker at the back. We do know that a lot of components are imported when devices are made in India. But this is the Celestial Magic color. Looks really nice. The back is curved and it is toughened glass. It's not Gorilla Glass or any branded glass, but it is toughened glass. And also the camera bump is also slightly tapered. And you can see the three main cameras laid out over here. So you have a 108 megapixel sensor, a wide camera, which is an 8 megapixel sensor, and a tele macro, which is a 5 megapixel sensor. And then you also have the flash as well as a mic input over here, and a 108 megapixel branding in case you forget what your megapixel size is. You also have Xiaomi's 5G branding over here. And pretty clean back, overall nice looking phone from the back as well, as the sides are metal and they feel nice, extremely premium. You do have large speakers on both the top as well as the bottom. So it does have a stereo sound, and these speakers are tuned by Harman Kardon, which is good. The display is a 6.67 inch AMOLED display. It's a flat AMOLED, a really nice quality display. Similar to what we saw with the OnePlus 9 RT, this is a 120 Hz refresh rate display, but the touch sampling is quite high. It's 480 Hz. Not as high as the 600 Hz that we saw on the OnePlus 9 RT, but 480 is also pretty good. If we will notice a difference, I'm not sure. So funnily enough, this phone has a larger battery compared to the Mi 11i. This has a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and the claim is that this charges to 100% in just 17 minutes. We already debunked the claim for the first phone, which they said charges in 15 minutes. That does not happen in real life, and we have a video proving that. We'll leave it in the description below. Also go check out our new Shorts channel. We'll have shorts in Hindi for all the latest technology on our iGyan Shorts channel. That's also linked in the description below. Go check it out. So this phone has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. So this is still not the Mi 12 or the Xiaomi 12. Since their branding has changed, Xiaomi 12 is their new phone, which has the Qualcomm Series 8 Gen 1. This has only the 888, which is a previous gen chipset, but considering the pricing and the feature set that you have, it's a pretty good processor or system on chip to have in your phone. Now, as far as the cameras are concerned, a 108 megapixel shot is pretty impressive. The image quality is pretty good. We took some samples. We have a little bit of an overcast here in Delhi right now, so the images came out pretty nice considering the weather that we have. The colors look really nice and the images look really sharp on the display itself. The camera app is also pretty familiar if you've used a Xiaomi phone before, and you do have AI features, and the 108 megapixel feature is also separate. You can also capture video at 8K at 30 frames per second or 4K at 60 or 30 frames per second. This is also something that was missing from the Mi 11i. So overall, a really robust device with a large battery and impressive charging. I really want to put the charger to the test, so let's quickly do that. So this is the charger. Let's quickly plug it in. And this is the animation that I also wanted to show you guys. So when you plug this in, it'll give you this animation. It'll first show quick charge, then it'll quickly jump to 120 watt max. So that looks good, and it also shows you in real time the percentage climbing up. And it'll not charge at 120 watts at all times. Mostly you'll get about 60, 70 watts of charging. But at certain times, at certain levels of battery life, you will get a peak of 120 watts, but that'll be only for a limited time. They have split the battery into two parts, allowing for faster charging. Overall, the display is really nice. Gaming performance and the games that we tested ran really well as smooth. You can run at really high refresh rates as well as at high graphics. And the speakers are really impressive as far as the sound quality is concerned. They are tuned by Harman Kardon, and you do have a few customizations for the speakers built into the device. It does have a built-in game mode, but this is 4K 60 FPS 32 inches. Benchmark scores are as expected from a Snapdragon 888 device. Overall performance and durability of the phone is something that only time will tell. As far as apps and all are concerned, a lot of the apps can be removed from the user interface. So it does have a 12.5.2 MIUI out of the box, and you will get updates on a regular basis. Like you can see, it also gives you this really nice animation for the storage here as well. Overall, a pretty impressive device for the price, considering the price as well as the feature set. And again, if you're looking for something in this price bracket, this offers a good, diverse feature set and the unique 120 watt of charging, which is available in a few phones, including one more from Xiaomi. But along with the remaining feature set, this makes a really nice, compelling device, at least in this price bracket. If you're interested, go check it out. If you want me to do a giveaway, let me know on my Instagram. This has been Bharat. You've been watching iGyan. I'll see you guys in the next one.